Welcome back to another videos. Join us for the latest news, insights, and updates on the Iraqi dinar. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Let's explore the world of the Iraqi dinar together. The speculative scenario involving the Iraqi dinar and the potential for significant currency appreciation. It highlights the dynamics of currency trading and the behaviors of individual investors compared to institutional or high-net-worth traders, whales and sharks, during a perceived financial opportunity. At its core, the discussion revolves around the idea that the dinar is currently undervalued, allowing everyday investors to purchase a large quantity or 1 million dinars for what is described as a relatively small amount of money, ranging from $1,200 to $1,300. The implication is that this low cost represents a unique opportunity, as a future event, referred to as the blessing, will dramatically increase the value of the dinar. The term blessing in this context appears to symbolize a moment of substantial financial gain, potentially linked to a revaluation, RV, or significant float of the dinar in the global currency markets. The suggestion is that, at this future point, the exchange rate will shift so drastically that the cost to acquire 1 million dinars would rise to parity with the US dollar, meaning it would cost $1 million to buy 1 million dinars. This is presented as an extreme shift in valuation that ordinary individuals are skeptical about, implying that most people cannot envision such a massive leap in value. However, the paragraph suggests that larger, wealthier investors are referred to metaphorically as whales and sharks who are more inclined to act during this transition because of their ability to take on greater financial risks and capitalize on significant market movements. The description draws a contrast between the actions of smaller, retail investors and those of sharks and whales, emphasizing the latter's strategic approach to seizing financial opportunities. These high-stakes investors are characterized as being adept at identifying market conditions that allow them to maximize profits. The imagery of smelling the chum conveys a sense of predatory precision, suggesting that these entities are monitoring the market closely and are ready to strike when the opportunity becomes apparent. The mention of some sharks already moving hints at early positioning by a select few, but it suggests the majority are waiting for a clearer signal when it happens. The speculative narrative builds on the belief that as the dinar gains value and enters a floating exchange rate regime, its price will rise further, potentially tripling in value. This is where the idea of the sharks making a killing comes into play, as they would buy in at $1 million per 1 million dinars, only to see their holdings appreciate to a value of $3 million. The paragraph emphasizes the magnitude of this potential profit and frames the moment as a key point of action for the big boys, reinforcing the idea that those with substantial capital are best positioned to take advantage of such opportunities. At its core, the discussion reflects a speculative view of currency investment, particularly in a scenario where significant geopolitical or economic changes could lead to a revaluation of a currency. It underscores the dynamics of risk and reward, the psychological factors driving investor behavior, and the disparities between individual and institutional capacities to navigate high-stakes financial markets. The narrative also hints at a broader tension between skepticism and optimism, as it implies that while many doubt the possibility of such an event, a subset of experienced or well-capitalized investors are prepared to act decisively when the conditions align. Thanks for watching Iraqi Dinar. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and share our videos. Your support keeps our channel going. Stay curious, and see you in the next one.